Hi everybody,
Hello, welcome to Global Hack Week, day 5.
how are you, Emily?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm super good. And before we actually move ahead, I wanted to ask everyone, how is everyone? We are already in day 5 at Global Hack Week, so you might have gone through a lot of technical streams, those fun mini events, and might have built a lot of projects too throughout the weekend. So if you want to share anything, uh, please feel free to use the chat feature. Emily, anything you want to share from the AIML week till now?
Um, I've seen a lot of I haven't been able to watch any of the streams fully, but there've been a lot of ones that have looked very interesting for sure. Yeah, I think it's always fun to do the AIML, and I know we did data recently. So I think a lot of things are like building off of that, which is very cool. Have you seen anything cool?
Yep. No, no, I guess I was on a small vacation with my family throughout the weekend. So I was following up on the topics that were covered in the AIML week. I always think about like what's new can be actually done at AIML. Then I see the stream, and you will always find some unique content from the MLHs putting out there. So yep, it was good, and yes, for all the other folks as well. And even before we begin, make sure you have checked into the stream. I am sharing the link once again. You can just go register, check in, get yourself another point. Uh, I know you might be completing a lot of challenges, completing streams, getting yourself points. Same you have to do for this. Cool. I hope. Should we start, Emily?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yep. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back to Global Hack Week. Today in Global Hack Week Day 5, we'll be discussing all the things we did yesterday. If you have any questions, we can work around that and things we will be doing today. Uh, as I said, let's meet your MLHs. I am Vinayak. I'm Vinayak Rawat. I'm a coach at Major League Hacking. And a short thing about me that I recently had a short family trip. So I covered more number of beaches in the last 4 days than I did in the last 20 years. So yeah, it was a beach weekend overall. Emily.
Wow. Yeah, I'm also a coach at Major League Hacking. My name is Emily. My fun fact is also about this past weekend, but very different. Our hackathon that I helped organize at my college just took place this past weekend, so I'm still catching up on sleep. No beaches for me, but still equally fun.
So basically, a sleep deprived, right?
Yes, yeah, big time. But
Nice. How was yesterday? You folks explored Matplotlib, something which I played a lot when I was in my college because we had a separate subject when we had a semester, and it was sales. Yeah, I was pretty bad at this. Do you have any experience, Emily, of working with Matplotlib?
A bit, yeah. It's also pretty bad at it. I think that AI is very helpful for sure.
Yeah. Uh, Emily, if you want to cover the next things we did yesterday.
Yeah, so after that, we kicked off the AI models track with Steven. This is a multi-part stream, but we were talking about different models, going more into like the nitty-gritty of how AI ML models work. This is one that I actually was curious to catch up on. I know like a
So
lot of the theoretical stuff is very interesting. Like now, most of us just interface with like like the LLM, type into it, get something out, but it is very interesting to think about how all that is built. So yeah, definitely one to check out. Um, After that, we started working on our first AI powered mobile app. So I think the slides are gone. Give me 1 second. All right, we're back. Sorry for the technical glitch. Our first AI powered mobile app. Um, Yeah, very, very exciting. A lot of use cases for AI. This is definitely, again, a very, very cool stream to check out. Mobile apps are always very relevant to work with and build. So again, worth checking out. After that, I know I'm saying I'm excited about everyone, but this one I'm especially excited about. For people who are unfamiliar, the robotics operating system (ROS) is a big system that lets you work with programming robots, like physical robots and stuff like that. So definitely super 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 cool one to check out. I know I can't say everyone is cool, but this is a really cool one.
I guess I'm back.
Hello.
So sorry, folks. Just missed on internet. Thanks, Emily, for covering it up. Next up, we will be discussing about all the things that will be happening today, the streams, mini events, things you should cover. First off, we'll have Stephen, which will be working on exploring AI models part 3. The stream is scheduled to start at 3 p.m. ET and 1:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Again, folks, if it doesn't match your time zone, the streams will be up on our YouTube channel, so you can just go on the next day and visit. And since it is part 3, part 1 and 2 is already on our YouTube, so you can just go have a quick visit to that. And Stephen will see you exploring different types of AI models and their use cases.
After that, Kari is going to do part two of the AI powered mobile app stream. So, similarly, the previous part is going to already be up on YouTube. But if you want to join for part two, that will be at 5 p.m. ET or 3:30 a.m. IST. Um, I pray for your sleep schedule if you're going to be up for that, but definitely worth it. You're going to be working on continuing building out that AI powered mobile app. It's very cool.
Next up, we'll have Abdullah. Will be on intro to agentic AIs, a very new concept for me too. So you might see me at the stream too. So make sure you join Abdullah at 7 p.m. ET and 5:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. You'll be getting to work on the AI systems that will help you make autonomous decisions. This really looks cool. So for everyone who do not know about agentic AIs, how it works, make sure you hop into the stream and learn some cool new things from Abdullah.
For sure, yeah. Next up is going to be Abdullah again doing satellite image segmentation using AI part one. Wow, this I actually didn't know that this was a stream before today, but it looks really interesting. At 9 p.m. Eastern, 7:30 a.m. IST. He's going to be using AI to analyze satellite images. So it sounds like it's taking images and like detecting different objects or landscapes or things in the images themselves. Very curious how that'll look. Yeah.
Yep. Basically, the thing I said in the starting that when I think that a lot of things have been covered in AI, then you see people coming up with new things to explain in AI, and you can also learn from new things such as Abdullah, like agentic AIs, and now this. So make sure you hop into the streams in case you miss it. It will be always up on our YouTube channel. Next up, we'll have Alberto for MATLAB for ML Part 1. Uh, Make sure you join Alberto at 11 p.m. ET. Something again which I did in my college semester back then. Worked a lot around MATLAB. It's something which is super fun to work with. You'll be working with a lot of data set preprocesses, data sets, and a lot of diagrams as well. So make sure you join Alberto.
And Crackers and Cheese, thank you for the setup. I know we've been talking a lot about how all the streams, the past streams are hosted, but yes, just to emphasize again, if anyone is busy, you can always head back and watch the streams that have already happened on our YouTube at any time. Um, Alberto is so fun, yes. And then for a little bit of a break, Quinn is going to be hosting a Scribble.io in the MLH Discord. You can take a little break from hacking, meet some other people. That will be at 6 a.m. ET, 4:30 p.m. IST. So join in for some fun.
Yes. Then next up, we'll have a stream from Tiny MCE. You'll be building an Laravel email editor with Tiny MCE in an AI coding assistant. Now, someone who has never worked with Tiny MC, it's a super fun application to work with. It saves you a lot of time. I do not want to give you a lot of spoilers, but whenever you even go to hackathons, you will be having so much use of tiny MCE. So make sure you join the stream at 9 a.m. ET and 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. You'll be building an email editor with the help of tiny MCE leverage Cursor AI. Believe me, once you are comfortable with this, you are actually going to use it a lot, even in hackathons when you do not have a lot of time. So we'll see you at the stream.
Wow, sounds cool. Yeah, I've never used it, so maybe I'll have to be that go to that stream. And then after that, Steven is going to come back for what are vision transformers. That will be at 11 ET, 9:30 p.m. IST. And he's going to be talking about vision transformers, going into a similar like deep dive intro for anyone who's unfamiliar with vision transformers or just generally interested in how you can use AI to process images and transform image processing.
And then it will be me and Quinn again with today in Global Hack Week, exactly 24 hours from now, 12 p.m. ET and 10:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We'll be discussing of all the things which you did on day 5 and things that you need to know before going into day 6. So yep, this will be fun once again. And one more most important thing, we are taking up like hackers feedback after every stream. So you can just visit the link mls.link/gsw feedback. Thank you so much, Emily. You can just go, give us feedback, something that we need to work on, things which we are doing correct, and we are going to work on those feedbacks and trying to make this streams, mini events, student global hack week more better for you.
Yeah, for sure. That's all we got for you all. If anyone has Q&A, we'll stick around for a little bit. Feel free to drop anything in the chat. Even if it's not questions, anything cool that you've seen this week, anything you want to share, we'll be hanging around a little bit.
Yes, we did talk about beaches and hackathons, but if you want to share about how your weekend went, you can definitely share. But before, like, till the time hackers are sharing, anything, Emily, you want to share from your weekend getaway hackathon? How was it?
Let's see. Yeah, it was so much fun. Hackathon organizing is always very busy, very stressful, but when the hackathon finally happens, it's all worth it. We had a lot of cool projects, a lot of first-time hackers, which is interesting, and not a lot of sleep.
Basically, the first sleep you get after the hackathon ends is such a deep sleep that you just wake up next day almost 12 to 14 hours later. But yep, it's worth it for all the things organizers do. It's not easy. uh,
For sure. Yeah, how was your beach experience?
uh, no, it was, as I mentioned, that I saw like the number of beaches that I've seen in my 22 years. So I visited different beaches back to back. So it was like 6 to 7 beaches which I saw, and this
Oh
is the
wow.
same. This is the same number of beaches I saw till the time I have seen these. So yeah, it was a fun break which I needed. Haven't been on a break for a long time. So, and I came back today morning only. I hadn't had an idea that I had a stream today, but I feel this is something this should be good to share with everyone here.
Yeah, definitely. Well, I'm glad you're able to get a break.
Yes, now this will be more fun getting back to streams and interacting with hackers.
Yeah, definitely.
Uh, Again, folks, if you have any queries which you think I and Emily can answer, feel free to drop that in the chat. And in case if you get a question after the stream ends, our Discord server is always there. You can go, you can make friends in this amazing hacker community. You can raise tickets if you have any questions to ask to us or to the full time team. If you want to ask questions around challenges which are happening throughout the weekend, you can ask us that. And anything in general, also, if you want to ask, if you want to take a certain bit of advice on something or need help with, I am very sure that all the folks who are there in this hacker community will be there to help you out. So make sure you are part of the Discord server.
Yeah, absolutely. Um, Yeah, well, if no one has any questions or thoughts or anything, we can wrap up and let y'all get on with your day and check out all those cool streams.
Yes. Uh, cool.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you, Crackers and Cheese,
Crackers
for
and
the
cheese.
engagement.
That's a very good name.
Yes, I love it. I love the picture.
Yes. Yep, definitely yes. Fits the name. Cool. Again, thank you so much everyone for hopping in. I and Emily will take a break now. You should also take a break and get ready before the next stream. And we will see you in the upcoming streams as well. So, bye everyone.